Have you heard about oneAyah program by Misbah? As a movement of Qur'an learners and the people who love Qur'an and they want to establish Qur'an in every heart, every home, and every community. Join Misbah through oneAyah program, living anywhere around the globe. It's a 1-hour program that is offered starting from January 15, 2026, and you can join on Zoom. Learn Quran one ayah at a time. Remember, Quran is the complete constitution, the way of life of a human being that is granted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you do not know the Quran, if you do not even know what the Quran is saying in Arabic, then you're at a loss. Until or unless we implement Quran in our heart, in our home, in our community, we will not achieve the success that Quran talks about. Don't know the success, then your success definition will come from the dunya or the Western liberal mindset. Learning Quran is the only way to achieve success in this dunya and the akhirah. So join oneAyah program by Misbah. The link is in the comment section of my video, and you can join the Misbah community on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and follow the Instagram as well. I detail at the bottom of this video. Please do join Misbah and join the oneAyah program online every week on Thursday.